Hello lovelies. About a week ago I did these rose quartz nails with the E Nail Couture 123 Go set, and then also some polygels, some mica powders. Now it has been a week. They've held up really well, and I love how durable and shiny they are. So I just wanted to show you guys how I did everything, and I will also link everything that I used down below. So let's go. I'm going to be doing a rose quartz manicure, and I'm going to be doing this with the 123 Go. I believe they call this the lazy girl method, so it is perfect for me. And I'm using, like I said, the E Nail Couture 123 Go little press-on nails. And then I'm also going to be using different polygels. Now I have the Maricat set, and that came with 2 pinks and a white. And then I also bought this other set from, it was just a kind of a random one on Amazon. It's called Rosalind. And then I'm also going to be using some mica powder. Now I did put the pink glitter in this one, but I don't like that as much as I like the mica powder, so I won't be using this one in any of the other nails, but I did put it in this one. I already know my sizes, so I went ahead and pulled those out. And now I'm going to be using my nail drill to go ahead and etch these so that the product will stick to it. You just want to clean those out so that they don't have a bunch of dust in them, since we're going to be using some clear polygels. I don't need a bunch of gel dust everywhere. Okay, and next I'm going to just cut these because they're a little bit too long for me. I did buy them like this on purpose because sometimes I like almond and oval shaped nails. So I did buy the short length instead of the athletic just because occasionally I like a different shape. But that means that whenever I put them on, I always have to cut them down a little bit. That's okay. Okay. Now we've got these all prepped. Now I'm just going to start with the polygel. Okay, now I'm going to get some white. I'm going to do the same thing. I'm just going to put a little bead. On here. I'm putting a lot less of the white. I'm just getting a little tiny bit on there. We are actually going to cover the whole nail with this product. So I'm just going to take my orange stick and I'm gonna smoosh the product around a little in itself because you want it to look a little marbly. And then I'm gonna take my gel brush dipped in some alcohol, and I'm going to just pat this around. Now I'm going to take my mica powder and I'm just going to dip my orange stick in the mica powder. And then I'm going to drag that in the polygel. I'm also going to take some pink mica powder. And I'm going to do the same thing. I'm just going to drag it. Now we're going to very carefully take this and smush it right onto the nail. Alright, I'm going to cure. And I cure these for 60 seconds under my LED lamp. Okay, and she's a little crooked, so I'm just gonna, that is pretty much done. I just think that looks so interesting. Okay. I'm just going to go ahead and do my last nail. And I have found getting a little better at it as I go along. If I put the mica powders in first like this, you can just put it through the clear up underneath. It shows up a little better. Because otherwise, if you're putting it on top of the other polygels, say for instance the pink or the white, it's not necessarily going to go show through because those are pretty opaque. So you can kind of shove it up underneath and create those little gold veins. And then I'm also going to add some pink just because I like the way it looks. I'm going to file the edges down. Okay guys, here they are. love how this turned out. They're so shiny. Mica powder really brings it alive. And it was super easy. If you guys enjoyed this video, please give me a like. And don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell so that you can get notifications whenever there's a new video. Until next time, lovelies. Mwah!